Chizoba, how homeless secondary school leaver build car that drives itself when driver is drunk or asleep. So my people, this is from Vanguard headline news. So we are starting this video from this headline news from Vanguard. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe to this channel and like the video. Tell us what you think about what we're about to discuss. We are going to go through this short and biased report from Vanguard. Okay, I call it bias because it is very, very, shocking that a platform like Vanguard, that are well respected in Nigerian circle, is very, 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 should I say, tribalistic in nature, because you can see the name there, Chizoba, an Igbo person from Enugu State. He built a car. Okay, this car that you're about to see, let me release it so that you'll be watching that while we're going through it. It's not a lengthy video. This is the guy. Okay, this is the guy that built this car. Okay, and I have seen this video in the past. I intentionally ignored it. Why? Because I don't want to bring, not that it's not worth sharing, it does, but I don't want to use that, I felt that it's not the right time. I think when he made it, when I saw the video, but I can only tell you when I watched it for the first time, that was during the convention. So everywhere were busy. So bringing it that time when people are eager to know what is going on in Finland and all that is it would be a kind of a distraction. But today, I see that Vanguard, you can see here on the platform 13 hours ago, they shared this video on their platform. Very, very, very short clip. Look at this here. This is just the total number of the video. As you can see here is 48 seconds. So a very good innovation that this guy made is not something that you can just share only 48 seconds, not even up to a minute, by a platform like Vanguard without even, it's not as if they have a very well detailed analysis or report about this handwork of this Igbo guy, that you can go to link. It's also link to watch it. No, there's no link. This is just, they just filmed this just short clip, okay, and posted it. You hardly understand what the video is all about. You can imagine a report of 48 seconds. What are they going to say on that? Even to capture the body of the video, the vehicle of the video, the body of this car, the vehicle, they couldn't even do it very well. The motorbike here is well captured than the so-called car that they are reporting. This car, if not that I have watched it in the past, I may also ignore it, but as God may have it, I have watched it in the past, and I can tell you, if unless if you hate good things, you're not gonna, you won't feel happy about what this guy did here. It's not about that he's Igbo or not. Okay, it is about saying things, to do something that is good. When say what is good when you see one. Yes, that is word. Don't ignore something because maybe the person, how can I promote somebody who is from this place, who is this, who is that. I'm showing you the comment of some of the people here. You are going to see some comments here. No, I don't want to bring any tribal comment. Okay, I don't want to bring any tribal comment because some people are very good at that. So there's a comment that I'm looking for here, to be honest with you. Someone kind of said, and why is it not trending? That's a very good question. Why is it not trending? Now, let me look for, there's one guy, because some of you may say, oh, that is all about one ethnic group that are good at, stepping on the toes of any effort that the Igbo people made. Yeah, you may say that, but I want to call out the cameraman, the person that made this post, okay, because he is the one that showed his tribal bigots. Okay, and I'm trying to look for a comment. Look at this comment here. Okay, he said, whoever did this video is an, you know the word here, Whoever that did this video is and this word, you can see the cursor, okay, and should be sacked. Coming from Wale, okay. Why? Because the sharpness of the video, nothing like to, you know, to detail any detailed information about the guy, nothing whatsoever. Even how the car is being functioned and everything, the work of the car, the good thing that the guy, invented on the car, nothing whatsoever. Are you getting it? This goes back to what we normally say, that the hatred on Igbo people is not something that you can ignore. The hatred is too much. And that is why I have to bring the video for you to see. And let us hear what the guy said, the person that built it. In fact, let me play the video from the beginning to end. I'm not going to interrupt it because it's a very, very short clip. Listen.
Vehicle that I designed and built from scratch.
No, let's listen.
This is a vehicle that I designed and built from scratch.
Now, this is a Vanguard for you. The question should be, as you watch this short clip now, if not that I mentioned that the guy is a neighbor person, or maybe he's from Enugu State, or maybe that I have watched the video in the past, tell me, to be honest, what do you learn from the video itself? The only thing that the guy said, this is the vehicle that I built and designed from scratch. Nothing more. No, they refuse to mention his state, his name. Only because of the comment, the title, they said Chizoba. Nothing more. Nothing. Not even okay. How do you manage to? Where do you get inspiration? Who advised you? Did you face any challenges? Now, if you can, what are the challenges that you are facing to build more cars like this? Can you teach other people? You know, that kind of thing. You can only get this kind of question in a context that is meant to work. But as long as an able person, this man that studied probably mass communication, the cameraman or the reporter, choose not to do that. Imagine if this guy is a Yoruba person. To be honest with you, they will follow him up to know his house. How do you sleep? So what kind of food do you eat to give you this energy? Wow. You know, that kind of thing. But as long as his name is Igbo person, is a problem. Now let's go to Joseph Okechukwu, because here is where I watched the video for the first time. And we are not gonna hide anything from here. Look at the guy's handle. Okay? This is the guy handle. Even Joseph Okechukwu wrote a very long article about the guy. Look at it here. Okay, this is Enugu State born Wizkid. Design and build an amazing multi-purpose off-road desert storm truck for the from the scratch. I am beyond Guzmark. And he said, ran into him on the streets of Lagos, and he made a passionate plea. I don't want my career to die on the street, he says. That got me. I don't have the capacity, but I think we can band together to make his dream come true. This career will not die on the street. Who is with me? He tagged this post to governor of Enugu State, P2B, Kojiwala. I don't know this person. Obi okay. Real, that is Kobana. You know, a lot of prominent Igbo persons. The question is, because when you talk about that we are not welcomed in Nigeria, and that our people, what our people are going through, even Joseph Okechukwu understand it very well, because he did not tag this to President of Nigeria. He not tag this to Senate President. Non-Igbo person, they won't listen. Does our people actually listen? The answer is no. We just selfish people. Now listen. This is the full video, and Joseph Okechukwu, who is not even a reporter, like, don't have his own TV station or his own newspaper, spend just like he said that the guy ran into him in the street of Lagos, begged him to a kind of to carry his news, his work. Then he said to film the guy immediately. They did not scheduled any event for the recording. No, but he spent 6 minutes 29 seconds instanta to report about this guy. And for me to play the video, I want to encourage you to like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you have not done that, please do. Let's continue. Listen to the full video from beginning to the end. This is Joseph Okechukwu, who just celebrated his 50 years this month. Listen.
So I just saw my. Where are you from? I'm from Enugu State. Enugu State. Yes, sir. My own Enugu State. Hey, Oga. Oh yeah, Oga. Now, Jesus Christ. Maybe we only been Enugu. Exactly, sir. I thought I would you. I didn't think I said. Where can? I didn't think I said. I didn't think I said they see you for free. They say, wow. So I just saw this now. This car. It's called what? Graffiti. Let me see. Okay. This is it. Graffiti. So this is my house. In social media. Blackbird. Yeah. This is. So now the car it has one tire behind. I actually came up with my own this. I just came up with my own concept. Look at this car very well. You see that this car you will never see a car that looks like this. Go wide. You understand? And if you come to the store now, the door does not have like a normal car now. So you make use of the button to open it. So once you turn on the button, you open automatically. This button. Yeah. Let's go to the other side. Let me show you. So you start to talk to your own. You just started with the remote control. Wow. It comes up by itself. Wow. You have a chair at the top. So this chair is actually when you are making with your partner and you want to have fun. There's a staircase over there. And you have a space for umbrella. You also have a space for charging system. Yes, sir. So it's very comfortable. We have something over there. So you can put it on the back. You see your back from Android. So that's the element of the.
So I don't know if you can hear what the guy is saying. I don't know if you can hear him because the volume seems to be down. I don't know why. But he's trying to explain how the car works, like the features of the cars, how you can charge your phone, how you can the sound system. You want to want to cruise around with your partner. You want that kind of thing. How the door can open by itself, we have remote control, a lot of things, a lot of features. But let me allow him to continue. Just pay attention so you can understand it.
Wow. All right, guys. So I was just that's my car over there. So I was just driving in Lagos, Nigeria, and I ran into this guy. Your what? Social media handle. That's his social media handle right here. Yeah, but I'm actually going to get his social media handle and promote him. This one is very, very personal to me because he's from Enugu State. I promote Igbo and Igbo ingenuity all over the world, in America, all over. Now I see someone from my own home state, like my kid brother, just did this. Just imagine. I had actually just seen this on social media a short while ago, And when I saw him on the road in Lagos, I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe this. This is beyond imagination. I can't believe I'm looking at this. Made by this guy. You say you made this from the scratch. Because you go to my YouTube page or my social media, you see when I started it from scratch. Everything is from scratch. From the scratch. He made all of that. You can use it to play. You can use it to play play music. Yeah. Okay, hearing the music. You have a powerful over there.
So I'm not gonna allow the music because of the platform. It's time to play Fino song. So, but let's continue. After the music, I will release the sound again. Okay, just wait a moment. I don't want to skip anything in the video because you know, if you know, you know. How can a platform like a Vanguard ignore this kind of news simply because not only Igbo? And I wonder if it you know, that kind of thing.
Are you sure UK is better for you? Is it UK or US? Anyone that is financial, anyone, I don't just want my career to die on the street, you know. And there's a lot of distraction on the street. So if I have the opportunity to get over there, you know, that's just my plan. Right, guys. I'm gonna really wanna. I don't want to say that I want to help him because I don't have the capacity to help him. But I think there are a lot of people who have capacity to help this young man. And I think we can all band together and make this happen. I can see that happen already. This is just beyond ingenious. This is too much. And, you know, I may will tell you, I may need your number, your phone number, and your contact. I've been at Lagos here. I stayed at Ikeja. Okay, I'll travel very soon, but before I travel, I need to have your contact. I need your number. Two of you are in your. I'd like to see you guys. Before I go anywhere, I want to have a physical meeting with you and your partner. I don't want to say too much online on the video. When we meet, we'll talk. But I think that this needs to be promoted. This has to go far. People will look back at this and remember the first time that you showcased it. When the real one happens, they will remember today. I can bet you. I don't have the capacity, but I know that this is going to go far. God bless you. Well done. I love this. I love it. Yeah, look at it. Gravity. This is easy. Amazing. Amazing. Blessed.
So that is it. That is it. I have to share this because it is not good that people ignore. There's a lot of effort. I watched the one from one another powerful work from a Biafran, from a Igbo person from Abia State. The truth is that it's not only Igbo people that are doing this kind of work in Nigeria, like, but his own is very, very, very special because this one is beyond um, street creativity, that kind of thing. Because his own talent is special. If you see any video like this, please share it so that we can talk about it. It's very, very good. Even if it's not only Igbo people, okay? Don't see it as because of Igbo, no. But people who claim their government media should do better and remove this kind of ethnicity, all this that they are doing because it's not helping anybody. And it is obvious, our own is too obvious. Igbo people, our own is too obvious that the hatred is beyond human comprehension. So my people, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Thank you so much for your time and make sure you share it. See you again. Subscribe, of course. Bye bye for now. God bless you all.